Hey guys, there are so many high quality 3D models in ActorCore. You can just click into the link in my video description to get all of them or any of them. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import any of it into the Blender 5, and also how to complete the material setup in just a few seconds. It is really easy. Can just get from here. Let's go. First, you can click the link in my video description. It is going to lead you to the ActorCore official sites, and then click the props. From the props here, I'm going to just choose one, and I'm going to search the category, and as demo, I will just use one of it, the vending machines. I click purchase, then I click one more time. It is going to lead me to the cart. So now I'm going to just purchase for this, and I will just click checkout. Once you already complete order, you can just click download in my inventory. So two of these are the 3D props that I already purchased, the 3D models that I already purchased. So if you're not yet led to this site, you can just move your mouse cursor to here, go to the inventory. Here it is going to show all the items that you already purchased. And as demo, I'm going to just download this first. And I will show you how to just import into the Blender and set up the material properly. So I click the target application. I will just choose Blender, embed the texture. The maximum texture size, I choose 2048. I click download. Right, next, I'm going to just download it into my computer's desktop. I just choose desktop, and I will just name this as vending machine. Click save, start download. Now, it is already on my desktop. I'm going to just right click and extract everything. Now it already extracts to the folder. Once I open the folder, you have a prop folder. The 3D model is inside the vending machine 01. It is an FBX file. So now I'm going to open the Blender. And next, I'm going to show you how to import and also how to set up the material properly. It is just really easy, really fast. I click the empty area. I just press A to select everything at here. I just press delete button to delete everything. And then from here, I'm going to just drag in the FBX file. Then click import the FBX. Now it already imported. I'm going to just click here to show the material texture. So now the material texture is already set up properly. But now you can see something wrong at here just because of you not yet set the opacity. So you can just make sure you already click the 3D model. I'm going to show you how to set up the material for this glass. The glass, click and go to the material. You can see a glass. So now the alpha, you can just adjust it to just make it about half of it. Now you can see half of the alpha, and then so here you may just choose the blend, and also the roughness you can adjust a little bit, but so far you need the alpha to just make it look more realistic. The metallic. So now you can see the drains are inside here, and then everything already set up completely. The whole 3D model, it can become one of your 3D props in your Blender 3D animation software. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to get any of the 3D models, 3D props from the ActorCore. And also, bring it into the Blender 3D animation software with complete material setup. Finally, it is one of your assets in your Blender 3D animations. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings about the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. See you.